Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the unit safe. Shut the breaker, disconnect the service disconnect, and apply lockout/tagout so nothing can re-energize. Then recover the refrigerant with a certified recovery machine until pressures are safe. This protects you and complies with regulations. Once done, remove access panels and photograph wiring and line sizes so you can rewire correctly later. Make sure you have the new compressor, manifold gauges, vacuum pump, torches, and proper fittings ready before proceeding. You now work methodically. Pump down and remove oil from the system, then cap the lines to prevent contamination. Carefully unsolder or unbolt the suction and discharge lines. Using purge gas minimizes oxidation. Next, label and disconnect electrical wires, then unbolt the old compressor and lift it free. Position the new compressor, torque the mounting bolts evenly, and reconnect lines making leak-tight brazed or flared joints. Once connected, restore oil charge per manufacturer specs and reattach electrical connections exactly as labeled. You finish by pulling a deep vacuum to about 500 microns and hold it to verify there are no leaks. Once the system holds, charge refrigerant by weight per the nameplate and then fine-tune using superheat and subcooling targets to optimize performance. Run the unit and monitor pressures, compressor amps, temperatures, and vibration. If the compressor trips, makes noise, or amps are high, stop and recheck electrical connections, valve positions, suction/discharge restrictions, and oil level as the primary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.